So the brakes are a little spongy. It's probably time to freshen up the fluids.
Just like my pit crew, I trust the Lexus service team in every genuine part they use. Brake fluid is used to bring your vehicle to a safe, controlled stop. And when it's contaminated, your stopping distance may increase. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, and this can lead to a lower boiling point, which may cause brake fade during hard stops. Your Lexus dealer uses genuine brake fluid formulated for your vehicle. It's designed to withstand high temps. Refreshing your system keeps it responsive and safe. Proper maintenance equals excellent performance. Visit your local Lexus dealer for all your vehicle needs.
Wow, that's a big difference in pedal feel and my confidence.